If you're looking to add a blog to your ShopWired store, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the steps quickly so you can start creating and managing content for your store in just a few minutes. But before we get started, stick around till the end because I've got some key insights and a special free trial for a solution that might be a better fit for your needs. First, let's dive into ShopWired. It's a solid e-commerce platform that allows you to build an online store with some great features. Adding a blog to your ShopWired store is actually really straightforward, but there are a few things you should know before jumping in. Next thing, to start, you'll need to log into your ShopWired admin panel. Once you're there, head over to the Content section, which is where all your pages, blog posts, and more will be managed. Now, look for the blog option and click on it. You'll notice it says no blog posts yet if you haven't started using it yet. The next thing you need to do is create a blog category. You'll want to categorize your posts for easy navigation, especially if you plan on writing a lot. Click the Add Category button, name your category, maybe something like Store Updates or Tips and Guides, and hit Save. This keeps everything organized. The fourth thing you'll do is start creating your first blog post. Click on the Add Blog Post button. This will bring you to a page where you can write your content, add images, and set up any SEO details. You can add tags and select your category from the drop-down menu. Make sure to write an attention-grabbing title and a solid introduction to keep readers engaged. Now, something worth mentioning, ShopWired's blog editor is functional, but it's not the most feature-packed. It offers basic text formatting, image upload, and SEO fields, but compared to other platforms, it can feel a bit limited if you're looking for more customization and advanced blogging features. The next thing you'll want to check is the design of your blog page. The default settings are okay, but you may want to customize the layout a bit to make sure it fits your store's aesthetic. You can adjust things like the font, layout, and color scheme to match the look of your brand. Now, once your blog posts are live, remember to promote them. Share your posts on social media and link them throughout your store. Blog posts can really help drive traffic and boost SEO, so use them strategically. But here's the thing. While ShopWired does have a blogging feature, it doesn't offer the same level of customization or ease of use that you'll find in other platforms like WordPress or even Shopify with the right integrations. If you're looking for a platform with a more robust blogging system and better SEO options, there are definitely alternatives out there that may be better for your long-term goals. Now, I know you're probably wondering what those alternatives are. Here's the good part. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of a tool that's way better suited for seamless blog management with advanced features and integrations that you won't find in ShopWired. That said, I've got some amazing alternatives that also offer free trials and can help you get the most out of your blogging strategy. They're easy to use, super customizable, and come with all the tools you need to make your store's blog work for you. So if you're serious about taking your e-commerce store to the next level with a blog that actually drives traffic and engages visitors, don't forget to check the first link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and unlock all the benefits for our viewers.